Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to your online English class of the Way International Public School and Girls College, Mansehra. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine and enjoying your good health. This is your lecture number 3, and today we are going to continue our lecture which we were reading in our last video. In our last video, we were reading figures of speech. So, today we are going to continue our topic. What is figure of speech? A figure of speech is a word or phrase using figurative language, a language that has other meaning than its normal definition. When we have two meanings of a word or a phrase, it's called figure of speech. Two meanings means one is surface meaning and the other is hidden meaning. We can also say that a figure of speech is a phrase or word having different meanings than its literal meaning. In our previous video, we were reading three figures of speech. We read three figures of speech, that is simile, metaphor and personification. Today, we are going to read rest of all. Today, we are going to continue our topic from the figure of speech, that is hyperbole. Dear students, do you know that what is the meaning of hyperbole or what type of figure of speech is hyperbole? So, hyperbole is an intentional, exaggerated statement not to be taken literally. What does it mean? I am telling you. Hyperbole is a word which is a word or statement which is exaggerated. We use hyperbole in our daily conversation. For example, sometimes we say that I can do anything. So, what does it mean? I can do anything. The meaning of I can do anything is the phrase, its meaning is that you can do all the things. But in real life, we cannot do all the things. So it is a exaggerated statement. There is some more example of hyperbole. In short, hyperbole is a statement which has been exaggerated. It is used to overstate a situation and it is not intended to be taken literally. Hyperbole may be used in figurative language to overexpress what someone is saying. I am giving you the example. For example, in our daily conversation, we sometimes say, I almost died from laughter. So, what does the meaning of that sentence? The meaning of that sentence is the speaker did not literally almost die, but using this hyperbole, they are expressing that they laughed a great deal. You can see these pictures. I hope that from these pictures you understand hyperbole. My feet are killing me. Now in real life, your feet cannot kill you, but this is an exaggerated statement. You can also see these pictures. These pictures show the example of hyperbole. I am so tired I could sleep for a year. So this is exaggerated statement and this is hyperbole. The second example is his teeth were blinding white. There are some more examples of hyperbole you can see on your screen. The king's nose was 3 feet long. So normally when we want to exaggerate a statement, sometimes we say that his arms are as long as tree. So this is the example of hyperbole. My dad can left over 2 tons. That food was so hot my ears were smoking. That boy runs faster than a car. I am so tired that I could sleep a year. I am 20 feet tall this month. I must have walked 100 miles. He cried so long that he made a lake. I am so hungry I could eat a horse. You have a million toys at your house. So all these are the examples of hyperbole. If you're students, you might listen some hyperbole used by teachers in your class. For example, sometimes your teacher says that I told you 1,000 times. So this is the example of hyperbole. Then your teacher sometime, when you are making noise, your teacher used to say to you, your voices are so loud that they are going to the sky. So these are also the examples